Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you all how to do a perm rod set. We're going to be using all Aunt Jackie's products. So first you see me just rinsing my hair with water, and then I'm going to go in and shampoo my hair twice, and I'm going to use the Oh So Clean moisturizing and softening shampoo. A lot of their products are sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oils, no petroleum, and this shampoo is supposed to be deep moisturizing and detangling hair bath for chronically dry hair, which is definitely what I need. But when I shampoo, I only shampoo at the roots, and when you rinse the shampoo out, it will get through to the ends, because the ends of your hair are your oldest hair. I didn't want to dry my hair out even more, even though this is a moisturizing shampoo. And let me just tell y'all, this was a struggle. I do not see how all of these YouTubers or whoever do all these hair videos in the shower. Y'all, I had soap in my eyes. It was terrible. I could not get it right. So this is the best that could come out for y'all. But I mean, I would definitely try it again and see if I get better at it. But it was definitely the struggle. So right here, I'm just rinsing out that second shampoo. Alright, so right here, I'm just drying my hair with a t-shirt. It's supposed to be better than using a towel, because a towel will pull out your hair and damage your hair. I'm not quite used to using a t-shirt yet. Hopefully I'll eventually get used to it, but I mean, it did what it was supposed to do. It did its job, but I'm just so used to using a towel. But I want to promote healthy hair and no damage, of course, so I'm going to get into using a t-shirt. Alright, so right here, I don't know if y'all can tell, my hair soaks up product a lot. It absorbs a lot of product. So I went in with a deep conditioner. This is the Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed Style and Shine Recipe Rescue. This is the Thirst Quenching Recovery Conditioner. So I saturated my hair with that, even though it doesn't look like it. And I had to get extra large caps because I have a lot of hair. So I ended up sitting under the dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I rinsed that out. Here you see me going in with their leave-in conditioner. This is the Quench Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. So I parted my hair down the middle, and I had two big sections, and then I took one section and parted that in half, so I ended up with like 4 sections. I didn't have a Denman brush, which I really do need to invest in one. So right here you just see me kind of detangling it with a wide tooth comb. I always start at the ends and work my way up to the roots, just so you're not tugging on your hair and pulling your hair out, and it's a lot easier to detangle. And as you can see, I'm taking subsections, and I'm really sitting here working that leave-in into my hair, just because my hair does get very, very dry. I believe I have type 4, maybe A or B hair. Y'all let me know down in the comments below, what hair type do you all think I have? Because I struggled for the longest trying to figure it out. And once I really like sat down and looked at it, and me and my mom kind of tried to figure it out, we came up with type 4 A or B. I feel like it's more so type 4B. But let me know what y'all think. Y'all, I hardly wear my natural hair out. I'm used to wearing wigs, so this was definitely something to get used to. Natural hair is no joke, and it's a lot of work. I can only imagine what people have to go through who have way more hair than I do. I was literally up probably till about 4 o'clock in the morning doing my hair, although I started kind of late. Next time I'll start earlier in the day, but wash days are just so long. I give kudos to people who wear their natural hair on a regular basis. I'm trying to learn how to work with mine, but we'll see. I'll eventually get the hang of it. So I don't end up showing y'all how I actually put the perm rods in, just because that was a struggle as well. I'm still trying to learn how to work with my hair. If y'all want to see me attempt at putting those in again, just let me know. But I'm just going to tell you all, I did end up going in with the Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant after I went in with that leave-in conditioner, just to seal in all of the moisture, because like I said, my hair gets very, very dry and it sucks up a lot of product. And so after I put in the sealant, what I ended up using for my styler is their Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly. I actually did really like this because it didn't leave it like crunchy or like that hard feeling that some gels do. And I did end up that night sitting under the dryer for 30 minutes, and then I let it air dry overnight. But when I woke up, the top of my head still wasn't dry, so I ended up having to sit under the dryer for another hour before I went in and took out the perm rods. So as you see me, I took the perm rods out, and now that I'm separating my hair, I did run some oil in my hands, and I used their soft all over multi-purpose oil. This has flaxseed, coconut oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, grapeseed, and ginseng. I actually really like this oil. So I'm just separating the curls here, running that oil through. I like volume and big hair on day one as opposed to like waiting until day 2, 3, or 4 to get that volume. Now you will be compromising, what I want to say, with getting frizz if you want volume that first day, because getting that volume you will get a little bit of the frizz, but I don't really mind it. I've always loved big hair, so it's not really an issue to me. But if you don't like frizz, then you're not going to want to do what you're going to see me do next. And let me know, when y'all do these type of styles, do you all air dry your hair or do you sit under the dryer the whole time? Because I keep hearing like mixed things, and of course people do different things what works for their hair and their hair type. Some people have told me you shouldn't air dry it, some people air dry it. So just let me know what y'all do. So as you can see here, I'm taking that same wide tooth comb that I used to detangle my hair, and I'm kind of going at the root just to sit there and lift it a little bit more and give it more of that volume that I was mentioning, since I do love big hair. here I am going to take a blow dryer on medium heat just to sit there and put it at the roots just to lift it even more and give it more volume, because shrinkage is a real thing. I mean, that does mean you have healthy hair, because if it shrinks up, you have your curl pattern, but I still want to try to have the biggest hair possible on day one. So I went in with the blow dryer on medium heat, and then you'll see me go back in again with a pick and pick it some more at the root. Now, you don't have to be as extreme as I did and do all of this, but this is just what I'm like kind of learning that I like to do. Now, I didn't like how it looked just like that. So as you see, I'm taking some Styling gel. I believe this is the one with the argan oil. They do have a lot of different ones, but this is the one that I have. And I'm taking a little edge brush and slicking my edges down, kind of doing like almost like a faux hawk, mohawk kind of situation, just because I didn't like how it was laying on its own. And then I'm bobby pinning that hair back out the way. Natural hair is a lot of work, and it takes a lot of practice to try to figure out like what products work for your hair, what doesn't. But while we've been in quarantine, I figured I'm like, what better time to try to figure out and learn it, because I do wear wigs 95% of the time. So while I've been in quarantine, I haven't been wearing wigs because I haven't been able to get my hair done. So I'm kind of learning how to work with it now. So I tied my edges down just so we can keep it nice and slick, and as you can see, I'm just kind of playing around with it, trying to get the desired look that I want in the shape. Give me any tips and tricks on what you all think I could have done better to get this style to turn out a little bit better. I didn't get my hair as smooth as I wanted to, so when I took it out the perm rods, it was a little bit frizzy already. But like I said, if y'all have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments down below. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel to join the ALB family. And until the next video, bye guys.